BL4 tooth shade. So what is the BL4 color? The BL4 is actually the darkest bleach color from the IVOCLAR bleach tooth shade guide. You can kind of compare all of them. It gets a little hard to see sometimes because they kind of all blend in. But you could kind of tell if you go from the BL1, which is the whitest, down to BL4. You could tell it gets like slightly a little bit darker. So the BL4 is the darkest bleach color out of all four of these tooth color shade guides. But despite it being the darkest, it is still whiter than what you can get with natural teeth color, which is here on this shade guide here. We could just kind of compare the BL4 to each of them. Right? You can pause the video at any point just for a closer comparison. Alright, I mean it's still much whiter than all of the other tooth colors that you can get, right? Alright, and just for comparison, here we have like a crown that's about like in the A2 tooth color. But you can kind of see a little, everything starts to blend in a little bit at one point though. Alright, sometimes you just have to look at one of the darker ones just to kind of compare. Like if you verse the BL4 with the A4, right? You can immediately tell the difference. Well, yeah, but you can kind of just put them all together in like a progressive chart right here. So as you can see, it goes from white to progressively darker. Alright, so we just kind of leave that alone right there. Alright, hopefully that gives you a better idea. So this is ordered in terms of whitest all the way to the darkest. Alright, yeah, and that's it for the BL4 veneer color.